Hey everyone, how's it going today? Today is another beautiful day. And today I'll be showing iPhone X screen repair. This is an iPhone X customer brought for repair. The screen is broken. I cannot turn it off because the screen is broken. So I will just open it first. Start with the bottom two screws. You need something that goes between the glass and LCD and the metal frame. Just poke it in a little bit. You don't want to go all the way. You don't want to shove this thing all the way in there. There is glue on the sides. It makes it a little bit difficult, but still not that hard. Let's put this screen away for a second and let's see what's going on here. What I like to do first is remove the battery connector because I don't want a shortage. So let's go for that as well. Whatever screws you remove, make sure you put it in order so you don't lose the screws. It's a headache if you lose it. Unless you don't care about it, then it's not a headache. Unplugged. Next to its screws. Now, this is connected here. I'll just like to leave it there. I think it might be easier. This is actually, I think it's the other different type of screwdriver for this part. Phillips. If you just Google what screwdrivers you need for iPhone X, it'll show you. So this one was first, then that was the other screw, then last this. Now we just take this out. It came out a lot easier because the screen had been replaced and it's cracked on top. Now we get the new screw. Not the new screw, new screen. Let's remove the plastic off of it. I don't even know why they have this plastic in there, but this one has to be removed. It already have a plastic thing. Just have to make sure you don't cut any cables. Everything has to be done correctly at everything you do. So if you open it more, the top goes in the top part where completely it fits in. Then this part goes in there. The main two things are done. Last but not least, the other part. Now we just put it on top of it. Start with the 3 screws. I think the first one is the longest screw. There's a screw hanging here. We'll just move it for now. Leave it aside till we find out what it is for. But for now, you're done. Halfway. I think halfway. Now plug in the screen first. Let's close the connection on this one. Let's hold it in its place. align it. Now we can focus on the battery. I'm not moving the cables a lot higher. Oh, let me make sure I plugged in the battery. You see, sometimes you can get lost because as I'm explaining, doing the video, doing repair, it's a little bit confusing, but it shouldn't make a big difference. The bottom 3 screws seem to be the same size, so we can just put this 3 screws okay, one of the screws failed, but luckily we had found another screw. Okay, done. Now I like to close this first. So what I like to, let me redo it. Insert, then go to the bottom, press, then go from each way, come together. And the phone looks like it's done. Let's turn it on and hope it works. Looks like it works. Now put the screws in the bottom. So the reason I don't like to put the screws first, I'm thinking, what if I make a shortage or something? It's better to leave it open so I can quickly unplug it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.